representing the grade 9. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed judges and my fellow contestants. Today, I stand before you to highlight the enduring contribution of one of history's greatest thinkers, René Descartes, often referred to us as the father of modern philosophy. He revolutionized how we approach knowledge, reason, and the world around us. His most famous statement, cogito ergo sum, or I think, therefore I am, through the corridors of time, reminding us of the profound importance of doubt and critical thinking. His contribution reminds us that the mind is powerful in that our ability to think, to reason, and to question is the foundation of progress. And philosophy, he gave us the tool to doubt and seek truth. And in mathematics, he provided us the framework to explore the abstract. And in science, he taught us the importance of critical thinking. So, let us remember the power of thinking, the importance of questioning, and the impact of logic and reason. Let us celebrate the life and contribution of René Descartes, a true and pioneer, whose ideas have transformed society and will continue to inspire future generations. And I thank you.